And yes, my life has been a rut. Honestly, my life has been a rut in the last couple of months, weeks, and I want to get out of it. And the best way is starting off that whole phase by going to Siddhivinayak Mandir together. So this video is basically probably going to be some fun moments ka compilation through the next couple of days, because it's a little festivities moment. Matlab, we have Lohri, we also have Makar Sankrant coming in, we have a Hi guys, good morning. It is Friday, the 10th of January 2025, and I'm doing the most derailed task of this month. So Siddhivinayak Mandir. There are a lot of reasons, and I had ideally planned to go there in the first few days, like 5th के पहले and something of that sort. But then मेरे इंटरव्यू के डेट्स आ गए and I had to plan it likewise. तो जब इंटरव्यू की पहली बार मैंने स्लॉट्स बुक करे थे, I had booked it for 7th and 9th, and so I decided to myself कि 9th को इंटरव्यू ख़त्म होने के बाद में I will go on the 10th सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर जाऊँगी इंटरव्यू. एंड पता नहीं वो किस कोने में जाकर कैसे रह गया. In the next few days after, before the slots were finalized, I was told to prepone my Noida slot, so वो भी 7th को दे दिया मैंने. बट तो ओवरऑल द प्लान वाज कि 10 तारीख को जाऊंगी वहाँ पर. येस्टरडे ऑनवर्ड्स, लाइक 9th को, देयर इज़ अ फेस्टिवल दैट हैज़ स्टार्टेड, आर्ट फेस्टिवल इन शिवाजी पार्क, एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू गो सी इट. जब से मेरी क्लैट या A-Lit प्रिपरेशन चालू हुई थी, फ्रॉम द टाइम दैट आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग, I did not go out as such to any art festival, and in general also I haven't. So because अभी दादर जाना ही हो रहा है मेरा, सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर जाना ही है, so I thought why not I also go to Shivaji Park, because who doesn't love Shivaji Park? And I have spent so much time in Shivaji Park, either be it practicing rifle shooting or athletics or in general Shivaji Park as well. So I thought why not I just go there and just see what is going on in the art festival as well. So after Siddhivinayak Mandir I will be going there, and yeah, that is the other component that gets done for the day. Ganpati Bappa wanted me to come on the 10th itself, and I have no idea why is that so, but whatever it is, I'm excited, and काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें करनी हैं. I had promised to myself and promised to Ganpati Bappa as well, so वो जाके कर लूँगी, and I'll take you guys with me. Going to Siddhivinayak Mandir for the first time in this year, and I hope to go many more times later on as well throughout the year.
आणि ते जास्वंदाचं कसं आहे कळी? दुर्वा कसा आहे? 10 रुपये. आणि जास्वंद फुललेलं नाही आहे. वेणी कशी आहे?
20 रुपये पन्नासला 3.
स्वस्त नाही का?
नाही मॅडम, आता शेवंती महाग व्हायला लागली. 60 रुपयाच्या 4 देतो
ना. कसं?
20 रुपये 50ला 3.
स्वस्त नाही का?
याच्यावर शेवंती तरी बघते यासारखी नाही. 100ला 4 आहे 5.
वेणी कशी? स्वस्त नाही का? 10ला दे ना. हां, 10ला देणार का? कसं आहे? 10ला नाही का?
loved was this ring. And I have a matching oxidized neck set, neck piece. And for that reason I got this. But again, so apart from that, there was this one open mic type of thing. I don't know what you guys call that. Mini concert kind of thing. I went there and that was the only other music, and this oxidized jewelry was the only thing that was the best part of this trip. I saw all the stalls and everything, but they were very overpriced for me. It just was overpriced for me. It might not be for other people because people would buy it. So I assumed that it was viable for them. But for me, it was overpriced. So it was overpriced. I'm going out alone. It's not a big deal for me. I've done that I don't know how many times. So it was fine for me, and I was excited to go there. But after going there was nothing exciting. It was also very similar. Like today's trip was also very similar. Going there, I was excited. While going there, I was excited. When I went there, it was like, okay, fine, I'm here. I just walk, look at the stalls, and come back. If you guys don't know what interview, what all happened, I have it captured in my previous vlog, which is this, and I will link it up above here in the eye and in the description box below. So अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो be sure to go ahead and watch it out if you guys want to, because बाल खोलू है ऐसे ही रखूं, अच्छे दिख रहे हैं.
ग्रंथदिंडी आणि मकर संक्रांत असा एक अनोखा संगम झाला आहे. आज आपण संविधानाने दिलेल्या मूल्यांचा आदर बाळगून आपल्या परंपरांचा सन्मान करून आज हे दोनही दिनविशेष साजरे करणार आहोत. आज
तो आज था मेरा उपवास, बट ये मैडम ने मेरे लिए लाया नहीं बनाना वेफर्स, तो मैं भूखी. मैंने बोला कि कॉल करो, बनाना वेफर्स मिलता है पर बनाना वेफर्स मिलता नहीं. बनाना कोई भी वेफर्स चल जाता है, दैट इट्स फाइन. नहीं कोई बात नहीं, मैं जाऊँगी घर तो खा लूँगी. तो मेरे पास थे वेफर्स, बट आई फॉरगॉट क्योंकि मैं तैयार होने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगा दी. एंड आई एम हियर all dressed. I am back from college. It is 4:30. मेरी साड़ी is perfect, बट वो आते आते एंड सुबह से शाम वो नीचे उतर गई थी. वो ऐसे इट बिकेम अ फ्लो, रिवर फ्लो, ऐसे नीचे आ गई थी आधी. बट फिलहाल के लिए मैं ठीक हूँ. आज पूरा दिन कुछ खाया नहीं, तो मुझे खाना है सबसे पहले. एंड मुझे साड़ी निकालने से पहले मुझे कुछ शूट करना है, होपफुली ट्रांजिशन वीडियो जो towards the end of the video, and more photos would be there on my Instagram page, so be sure to follow me on Journey to Black Code on Instagram, जो मेरे Instagram channel पेज पर आ जाएगा मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली अगर इट इज सक्सेसफुल. तो फॉलो मी ऑन Instagram and I'll see you guys in the next component. मुझे गालियाँ पढ़ने वाली है, but this is the look for the lorry event, and I'll show it to you guys. Same watch, same bangle, same ring, different earrings, overall same look, बस बाल ओपन करे मैंने अभी. And this is the yellow suit that I'm wearing. This is the yellow suit that I'm wearing. अगर फ़ोटो लेती हूँ तो I'll add a photo. मैं तो एक छोटी सी क्लिप ऐड कर दूँगी. But I'm running very late. The event has already started, and I'll see you guys later on.
प्रकार